At least 12 lives lost, over 50 people injured, and more than 1,000 homes and cars buried under the weight of disaster. Amidst the heart-wrenching scenes in southern Tamil Nadu, villages like Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi are drowning in sorrow. Streets, once full of life, are now engulfed in relentless floodwaters, trapping families in their homes and forcing them onto rooftops, a desperate cry for help in a sea of despair.
கவர் பண்ணல ஜாமே
நான் உங்களை கவர் பண்ணல
இல்ல தண்ணி தான் தண்ணி தான் ஆக்கத்தான் டிராவல் நினைக்க
A beacon of hope shines through in Krishnaberi, where locals and rescue teams form human chains of solidarity. Amid the chaos, these brave souls navigate the dangerous floods as they pull their neighbors from the jaws of peril. In Nesavalar colony, more than 100 homes lie submerged. The evacuations to relief centers are filled with scenes of anguish. Their faces are etched with the trauma of the unexpected flood. The terror of floods, with their deafening roars and ferocious forces, struck with a fury that no one could have anticipated. The rising waters in Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli transform familiar places into alien landscapes. Submerged vehicles are silent witnesses to the flood's sudden onslaught, a testament to the fragility of human endeavors against nature's might. Even as the relentless rains pause, the agony continues in Kovalpati. The release of water from brimming dams adds insult to injury, further drowning the hopes of those already battered by the floods. A tragedy unfolds near Rajapalayam, where an elderly woman's disappearance in the floodwaters sends ripples of grief through the community. The severed connections to villages like Uthu are not just physical but an emotional chasm, leaving many in a state of despair. In the flooded lanes of Sivalaperi and Meenakshipuram in Tirunelveli, fear and uncertainty grip the residents. They huddle together on terraces, their eyes reflecting the terror of the rising waters, a poignant symbol of their plight. In a relentless battle against the floodwaters, authorities in the southern districts extend their hands in compassion and are providing food and water. Their relentless efforts to support the flood-stricken communities are a testament to human resilience in the face of overwhelming adversity. The disruption of public transport and essential services like milk delivery adds layers to the unfolding crisis. Local authorities strive to mend the broken lifelines of the community. Their efforts are a glimmer of hope in these dark times.
रस्सी खत्म है Yes.
Stay ahead of the flood with our latest updates. Hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you're the first to know about floods, hurricanes, and other natural disasters. Your safety and preparedness starts here. Join our Eco Havoc community today.